This is Kim Foley-McKinnon from Girl Camper Magazine. I'm here at Camco headquarters, and I wanted to show you my cool summer water setup. I have my great fast path tiles, and you will have this so you can stand on them, you won't get your feet muddy. When water comes out, you will still have clean shoes or feet. The next thing that you're going to want is a Y splitter, and this allows you to have two hoses. And you want two hoses for a couple reasons. You want to be able to hook up your hose to your RV for your kitchen and bath. And then it's really nice to have a 4-foot hose with a nozzle where you can just wipe off your shoes or your water shoes, your hands, whatever. And so you have a Y splitter for both hoses. And you can't go camping without a great water filter. So you're going to want a water pressure regulator because campgrounds don't regulate the pressure. So you want to be able to protect your RV from dangerous, too much pressure that could blow out your pipes. In addition, I was talking about having a water station for your shoes and feet. So you have this hose, you have the nozzle, you just flip it on. You can clean up whatever you need to clean up really quickly, and you're good to go.
Camco.